at the shop. My boy Richard would have had my shit in already, but I'm late, so that's on me. Alright, let me get a little. Show you a burnout.
Yo, you on camera, let's go.
Poppin'? 20. Some downpipes, bro. Damn. I think I just dropped this shit.
Yeah. Yo, do a pull! Yo, do a pull! Yeah!
That's how easy niggas be getting distracted.
Yo!
Keep that.
Oh, that should look mad small. Yo,
two, bro. It's not about the size,
that's
bro.
2 inch?
Nah, I don't think so.
Well, that should look 2 inch.
Let me see. Let's find out.
Yeah, that shit mad small, right?
See, right through that be kind of not.
Bro, my down pile look way bigger.
It's because it's one, that's why it's bigger.
Nah, nigga, this is 3 inch. That's 2.
Oh, wait, this side's bigger.
So is this side.
Well, they're trolling, talking about my shit is leaking oil.
It is?
Leaking coolant. I don't know, bro.
Leaking coolant. Is it really? Go look. Right there. Nigga, that's rain. It's not over there. Where? Where's that guy? Way easier than mine. That's why it's not my job.
Shit, I'm in too deep, bro. It's too late.
No, it's not.
Nigga, that shit dry, bro.
You see them dry.
You're trolling, bro.
Yeah, right, so over here. Yeah, look over here too. Look over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, got it.
Bro. What is that?
There's oil in there. And maybe your main seal.
I told you
That's in between.
So should I be worried about that?
We'll clean it off.
Because if it just popped off.
Yeah, just a cover. There's an inspection hole.
You got one of those? Let me see it.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Cut it off right now, straight to.
Yeah, alright.
Oh, imagine
again. Okay, resin. Muffin delete.
Yeah, alright, bro.
Resin it delete too. Might as well.
Come on, B.
This shit's a rusted, bro. Shit snapped off. Don't matter, we got the new ones right here. Damn, bro. I'm not doing it on my phone.
Yeah, you're fucking with me.
Damn.
I'll be walking soon, don't worry, you're not gonna do me that no more.
Damn.
Don't do that because if I fall, I'll be fucked.
Stay trolling, bro.
Papito.
Where's the other one, bro? Oh, it's right there? No.
Right there.
Damn. Bro, tell me how. I'm trying to, like, get stage 2 on the car, and it's saying that I don't have the bundle. I thought that's what I bought. To the OTS Maps bundle activation key. Wait, let me clear this shit out. I don't know if you guys can read that shit, but it's like this right now. It says this, and then I go my 93. So I gotta did it save? Saved all my settings. Cool. Oh, so now when I hit this, I gotta figure this out before they finish this. Cause what the fuck? Alright. I'm gonna have to buy this shit, man. Dude, this shit. Like, it's not that bad. Like, for what it is, I feel like it's not that bad. But, like, bro. Damn. It looks like I got fucking 2 things. But apparently, I only got one. It's $100. This is Pro Tuning Freaks. Damn, bro. I was hoping it was like the Wi-Fi or some shit, but fuck it, man. 700 horsepower coming soon. The good shit is I don't gotta wait for this shit to come in either. Just sends to my email, I can plug it in, and then I can download the mod and just call it. Let me not sit down because I hit legs earlier. My legs are cramping up bad, but this is not. It just keeps on saying adding. Damn, why's the quality so shit? It says adding, and it doesn't actually add it to my card. But fuck it, man. I don't got an option at this point. It's grubbing, bro.
Yep, we got more.
Hey, yo, that one can hit me. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro.
You're lightweight.
I am lightweight.
You made for
bro.
nothing.
That shit made me tired, bro. That one can. I got the mechanics working when I'm trying to figure this shit out, man.
Hey, fool, let's look at yours.
Sorry, from my intake's coming soon, bro. From my intake's coming soon, bro. I don't know. Yo, is that my car smoking, bro?
Yeah.
Ain't no going back now. Make it look like you got both fucking tunes, even though you don't.
Yeah. Nigga, more air, more flow.
That's how you know. That's how you know it's professional work.
What's up in your pocket? Short dog.
Hey.
Yo. So this nigga really doing it.
Video? Hey, talking there.
Oh, this shit's at 2%. Hey, they're coming out. So this shit's a little more complicated than people make it out to seem. Fuck, man. Damn. Let me not touch it, cause I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. But yeah, that bitch a little tight. Damn, when my inspection comes around, this shit gonna be ass. That bitch is fat. Oh,
Stuck in O2.
this nigga bugging.
You do?
Out.
Grab it.
Y'all better do that. Hey, my little turbo, right? That shit is tiny as fuck. One day, big single turbo.
Oh, there goes the cat.
Fuck!
Bloopers.
Fuck!
Oh!
Damn, bro.
Yo, lick it off, lick it off. Slip it.
Can't have shit, bro. Fuck.
Can't have nothing nice.
Bro, you can't have shit nice. Ooh, I want you to do this.
This shit gonna be easier, huh?
Nigga just skipped hella steps. Nigga went from Subaru bags with music.
I still got the subs, bro. GLC 43.
I don't like racing strangers.
Stop the cap.
I'll do it.
You're sad, bro. This nigga be on the highway talking to random ass people. Be like, yo, pull up, bro. I feel be talking to strangers every day, bro. This is the guy that be telling everybody to race, bro.
I like my insurance cheap, and on top,
So you think I don't?
I like my freedom. You feel me?
Bro, tell me how. Huh? What happened? This is for the OnlyFans.
Stop it. Get some help.
Yeah.
Tell me how I'm in bed. This guy tells me to get up so I can race somebody, bro.
Oh, you got an M. You can't buy M.
I don't know, bro.
I don't got an RS.
Bro, this is for the OnlyFans, bro.
I got an RS.
This shit fucking broke. I don't know what the fuck. Like snap. He had to fucking hammer that shit out because the fucking bolt snapped. Which is fucking crazy. But fuck it, it's part of the process. So I'm on the phone now. was a little bit of a fight, but he got that shit on. They got it on. Damn, mad space now too. And I figured out the whole situation with the tune. But yeah, so I should be chilling now. Putting the final touches on, all the plastic. He put that fucking brace that he took off earlier, put that back on. Lehor's just sitting doing nothing, drinking as usual. Not being helpful as usual. I want to see what the dash says. Right now it says 640 on stage 1. I want to see what it says when I go to stage 2. Putting the final touches on there. Gotta put some shit back in real quick and then really just put those on back under the thing.
Success.
That's it.
Take a screenshot of that. It's supposed to be.
Alright. Let's do it.
No lights, no depth, nothing?
Are you on Sport Plus?
Yo, if you want to run faster, just fucking gas all the way.
Stop it.
Let's go.
He said one more time.
Do the Jardini.
Damn, this kid's about to get the cops called on, bro. Just pull over in the front of the black car.
Officially stage 2. It's been a few days now. Yeah, she definitely pushes a whole lot more. And the pops, it was worth it. The little bit of stress and the bread I had to put down, it was worth it. Fuck it. Summer, your boy finally got a fast car. Active, bro. Hopefully, I be saying that, bro. But I'm a homebody. I be staying my ass inside. I don't know. I don't be going outside like that. I'll just be working and then home. Sitting here fucking revving this shit. Let me know what you guys think I should do. Should I do more performance or should I go cosmetic? I was thinking, you know, chill with, I'm around 700 horsepower and then I can do cosmetic stuff for now. So definitely want to do lowering springs just because I want to keep my adaptive suspension, and then definitely need spacers. I've seen this car with the G80 wheels and they look fire. They look so good. But yeah, let me know what you guys think I should do. Oh my God, my Shayla.
Oh my God, my Shayla.
What you guys think I should do next? I'm thinking cosmetic next just because, you know, 700 is pretty good. 700, I can chill at 700 for a little bit and then, you know, slowly work my way into higher numbers. But for right now, I think I should chill, maybe lower the car, make it a little wider, just like small little cosmetic things, nothing crazy. Let me know in the comments, and yeah, subscribe.